One shouldn't take anything for granted. The biggest mistake people make is to take things for granted. They think that their speech, thinking, and existence will continue endlessly. One who sits on the seats of political power consciously or unconsciously believes that his power will remain in his hands. The reality, however, is that everything in life is uncertain. This is because everything is actually in God's hands. There is nothing at all in our power. I often wish to make myself non-existent, but I do not have even the power to do this. All power is with God. While we humans are utterly powerless, we have no power whatsoever. Even then people turn arrogant and haughty. People are unaware of their powerlessness, which is why they show arrogance. The truth about human life is that anything can happen to a person any moment. Maulana Wahiduddin Khan, narrated Khalid Sayyid.